Hey there folks, Mike Harris with Phillips Chevrolet in Frankfort, Illinois, the #1 Chevy dealership in the Midwest. I want to take a second to talk to you today about the brand new 2016 Chevy Equinox. Right off the bat, you can see on my front end here, there's plenty of great upgrades that they did. Your headlights, just a great look to them. They redesigned it, you got an HID, all the good stuff in here. Really an aggressive look to it, changes it completely from a 2015 and older. Your fog lights, they are now integrated behind glass. Looks really nice. Keeps the front end looking sleek. As you see, they redid the grille and the lower dam air intake. Just a great look to this. Makes everything kind of slide and style all the way back there. Okay? Kept the mirrors the same and your door trim, roof rack. To me, it looks like they stouted it down a little bit. As you can definitely see, new wheels are out. This is the LTZ, so this is one version of the LTZ wheel. It's a painted aluminum with a graphite interior. It looks really, really nice. Coming to the rear here, they redid a few things. On your back deck lid, a little bit more stylish for the bumper protector, okay? On your rear tail lights, they redid these as well. Just really, again, a really nice, sharp look. Makes everything just sleek and stylish, flow really nice. You'll notice down low too, this is an all-wheel drive 6-cylinder. So the 6-cylinder with the dual exhaust, they squared it off to match that bumper around it. Match the bumper and flow in real nice with it. So, tell you what, come on out down to Phillips Chevrolet and I'll go through the vehicle a little bit more with you.